back to my channel. How are you doing? How are you? How am I doing? How am I? We are chaotic over here, and I'm about to tell you why, because I'm bringing you along on a video. Today, I am in my new apartment that we've like barely moved into. I don't have like basically any furniture, and I was asked to do an in-house shoot for the Dyson Supersonic. Hold on, my mom's calling me. This is so chaotic. So Dyson slash ULTA. So ULTA, on behalf of Dyson, asked if I would do this video shoot campaign today for them for the Dyson blow dryer with 5 attachments. I'm super excited. The videographer though is gonna be here in 8 minutes. And I just washed my hair and I'm supposed to be wearing like really minimal makeup. So I'm just doing that and then we'll begin. So I thought I'd bring you along. I'll give you an unboxing at some point of the dryer too. And we're just gonna do this chaotic vlog style video together. Thank you Dyson and ULTA for hiring me to do this for you though. I'm literally so excited. This is actually a dream come true. So I'm like super stoked about all of it. And I can't believe this is my life. So we love this. Literally dreams come true. Ha! I'm using the e.l.f. brow lift, by the way. It's super good. And then I'm just gonna put on like maybe a little bit of foundation, and that will be my makeup for the beginning of the video. And then I'll be doing more makeup in a little bit. So I'll check in with you guys soon. Is that right, babe?
What was that, babe?
I said you love your new job. You're just telling me.
Yeah, I did love my new job.
Where are you? Okay, I'm in the kitchen. I did this is my really simple like no makeup that I think will be fine. I'll ask the videographer probably when she gets here. They wanted me just to wear a robe, so I'm wearing this little gray robe I have, and this is my current setup. So we literally have like basically no furniture still. So we set up this like fake living room because our couch isn't here or anything. So got all my stuff ready to go. We'll see what I end up needing. This is the Dyson Supersonic, the beautiful blow dryer. We'll do official unboxing later in the vlog, probably when I'm done filming and I can show you all the different attachments. But yeah, our apartment is adorable. It's just been so hilariously chaotic because we like just got the keys. We'll start a new job this week. Oh, thank you. Our cube from England that we sent over with all of our furniture hasn't arrived. So we got like some stuff. Our fridge, the electricity kind of wasn't working in here for a hot minute, but they fixed that, so it's great. So our fridge is back on. Thankfully we hadn't bought food yet, but we don't even have food. It's been wild, but that's just like how this goes. So I'm really excited for today. It was just funny because I was like, life is chaos right now, but I'm really excited to give you guys all the apartment vlogs and moving in and all that sort of stuff. But I'm gonna go because she's probably gonna be here any minute, and if she's texting me asking about how to get here, I want to make sure I can answer. So we'll check in soon. Like it's so quiet.
I know. You can put on music or anything.
Yeah, like, do you like Taylor Swift?
Yeah.
Like, can I just put on her album?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Because since we're not doing audio right now,
yeah,
I'm like, I might as well.
Yeah.
Okay,
whatever.
cool.
I'm just like going through these to make sure I know what we're doing next.
Great. Guys, so you just saw me blowing out my hair. Literally, look how good my hair looks. I have fine straight hair, so for me, like, blow dryers are always a little bit trickier, but it's giving me such bounce and like literally the volume, unreal. I'm gonna put on some more makeup now and we're gonna like shoot some after shots. So when you do that, I'm having fun though. And like, it's so chill. I don't know why I was stressed. The Dyson Supersonic The Dyson Supersonic dryer not only gave my fine hair so much color. Okay, you guys, time for a little recap of the campaign commercial shoot thing. It was literally so much fun and was a new experience for me. So I appreciate the new experience and just kind of getting to grow and learn as a, creator. So I thought I would show you the little box. We use this in the video. It says Dyson Supersonic and Ulta Beauty, so that's just so cute. It looks like a little Christmas present back there. But in case you're like, what the heck is the Dyson Supersonic, I thought I would show you. It's perfectly boxed right now, but we're gonna undo it. So this is the hair dryer. It turns on. Oh, it's not plugged in right now, but it would turn on, and it's just like a standard Dyson hair dryer. From what I understand, it's made the same. Don't quote me on that, but it's just like their standard shape, but it comes with 5 different attachments, which that's been the really big thing. So one thing I would say about this hair dryer is it's really like positive for all different types of hair textures. It's not just good for one type of person, which I appreciate because we all have different types of hair, and I like when companies are thinking about all different types of people and situations. So they have like a diffuser. They have something that like smooths flyaways, which is really, really cool. You may have seen this. It's like this really crazy shape. I can make a video like showing and talking about each of the different attachments in detail if you guys would find that helpful. And they have a concentrator. They have this like pick, which is really great if you have curly hair, obviously pulling out your curls if you're trying to do smoother blow dry, but it's also really great for just like sticking in your root and lifting to get some extra volume. So I thought that was really cool. We did a whole like course with somebody who works with Dyson, so she was telling us about all of it. And then today I used the Gentle Air diffuser. So this just diffuses the air wider while still being really gentle on your hair, especially if you have colored treated hair, fine hair like I do. So I spoke about that one for their commercial because it fits like my hair texture specifically. I'm trying to think if there's anything else in here. I think that was all 5, but it was just really fun, and I'm just so thankful to have done it. We're about to head to dinner now, and then I'm babysitting my sister's little baby. So I'm really excited to do that and just have a chill night, and then we're going to be finishing moving into our apartment this weekend, and I think like officially staying at our apartment, which is great. Like officially we've moved, so we're really excited about the next chapter. Let me see if I can zoom in on the sunset. It's such a beautiful night. I'm so thankful to be back in SoCal. Wow, I really zoomed you in. Okay, we're gonna go on a date. I love you guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you'd like a more detailed video about the Supersonic, because I own one now, which is so fun. But today was the best. I'm so thankful for what I do, and you guys make it all possible, so I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!